Welcome to Little Field of Dreams car show. Duke and I have a lot to see and do here. There's a lot of cool rides here, so let me know what your favorite is. So let's see these rides and, well, let's see the Field of Dreams. Who doesn't love a nice Chevelle? You found something already. Come on, buddy. We brought one of the old cars here, but he's not traveling very well right now. Oh, there we go. Old Super Sport. 66, I think. It's pretty clean. What you think, buddy? It's a nice Charger. Old 57, even got the old fender skirts on it. Good old Mach 1. So I'd like to find an old ratted out version of this for the next build. I wouldn't want something this nice. So I had a 70 Monte Carlo, which was kind of the sister car to this Grand Prix. Nice old Studebaker. You don't see many of these left anymore. Let's see here. Nice car.
Thank you.
You don't see many of these anymore.
No, because that car came out of New Mexico.
Oh, really? Yeah. That's where I've been pulling anything I buy anymore. It's all usually west of the Rockies.
Yeah.
Otherwise, they're nothing but rot buckets.
Right.
My dad's friends up from Fort Wayne years ago he collected all he did to collect Studebakers.
Yeah, because they were out of South Bend.
Yeah.
Yes.
He had one of the last ones of these that came down the line because it was nothing but leftovers. All kinds of different colors and body parts. And have a good day.
You just say.
Picked up a smell there, he said.
Oh yeah.
Hi there, sweetie.
I'm sure he'll show me later where the hamburgers are at. So Plymouth's been well taken care of. Nice Corvettes. Come on, Duke. There's a really cherry looking old Impala, 409. Pretty clean old Ford. Little T-bucket. Okay, mister. Let's go find you a hot dog or something. Some of you don't see it. It almost is like at first a shortened Volkswagen. All right, so he had a hot dog, had some water. Let's see what we got over here. It's interesting. They painted rivets on. Almost give like an old aircraftish look. Nice job of airbrushing there. Kind of made it look like almost like an old touring car. Come on, Duke. Come on, buddy. Nice build. I like the flames on that old Camaro. Kind of subtle. Nice build. I don't see many of these old caddies anymore. Old Rivy with the old clamshell headlights. Really nice shape. I like those old red lines. This old stock Corvette. You don't see many of these left anymore that haven't been all cut up or chopped on or. Oh, dude's in good shape. It's a clean old Nova there.
And who doesn't love a clean El Camino?
Hello. Chevy 2. You don't see many of these are unmolested either. How you doing? You don't see many of these are unmolested. There's probably just a handful of these left anymore.
I think Duke's seen the opportunity to stop walking and take the shuttle.
Somebody.
Have a good day.
57 convertible. You don't see that very often. And it's a fuelie. Bill smoking the Bandit Trans Am. There we go, old lead sled. Like the old caps.
My man. What's up, Jim?
Excuse me.
Save me
Nobody.
a spot, man. I appreciate you.
Old Mercury. Let's see what this thing is. You had a nice ride. Get it out and do something with it. Don't just let it sit in the garage and just collect dust. Get out and enjoy it. And I'll see you here for the next adventure. Come on, buddy. Let's get you home. Get you out of the heat.